Dear students, this is Salesh Kumar and we are on the channel Think Math with Salesh. In this video, we are going to learn the subtraction of integers on number line. As we know, the addition and the subtraction are the inverse operation. Therefore, we will apply our previous knowledge we have attained from the addition of integer video in this subtraction operation. So, let us learn. In the earlier videos where we performed the addition of integer, we were given in the first case that we will have to add two positive integer, that we have to add 5 with 3, and in this case we have to subtract two positive integer, that we have to subtract 3 from 5. Here what we will do, see carefully. I will have to subtract 3 from 5, so I will write 5 minus 3. Now I will make this sum as the addition statement. So see how I will do this. I will convert this subtraction symbol to the addition symbol and take this inside the bracket. Now you can see that this situation is same as the addition of a positive integer and a negative integer. So we will apply the same rule here in this situation. Now it is given that subtract 3 from 5. So I will write 5 minus 3 and I will convert this as per I said 5 plus minus 3 bracket. Now as per the earlier addition conditions that we will perform as that we have to start from 0 and move to the 5 unit, move for the 5 unit to the right side. First step, second, third, fourth and 5th. After that I have to move 3 steps toward to the left side. So first step, second step and third step. So where did I stop? At my 2. Therefore the answer is 2. So I can write that 5 minus 3 is 2. So you have seen that we apply the same addition rule that we have learned in the earlier video. Now I will explain this in the other way. Firstly, it is given that I have to subtract 3 from 5, so I will write 5 minus 3. So firstly I will start from 5. This is my starting point and I shall move 3 steps behind or the left, 3 units left, first, second, third. And where did I stop at? I will stop at 2. So start at, move to and stop at. Stop at where? 2. So in this way we learn how to subtract two positive integers. Now in the second case I will have to subtract a negative integer from a positive integer. As you will see that I have to subtract minus 3 from 5. So 5 is positive and 3 is a negative. So I will write 5 minus bracket minus 3. So as per the given instruction, what we will do, I will write 5 and I will convert the subtraction symbol to the positive one, and so shall I will also convert the symbol of minus 3 to plus 3. So what is this? This is 5 plus 3. Now this is the very simple sum of addition. Now as per the number line we will solve this. Now firstly I will have to take 5 steps to the right direction from the 0, that is the origin of the number line. 1 step, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have to move further for the 3 units. 1, 2 and 3. So Where did I stop at? I stop at the point 8. Now, the answer is 8. So, I can say that 5 plus 3 is 8. Now, on the other way, I can explain this that I have to start from the first digit, that is 5. So, I will start at 5 and after that I will move 3 units to the right, first unit, second and third, and after that I stop. So this is the stop at, this was start, and this is move to. So from where I start from 5, move to the 4 units, move to the 3 units and stop at 8. Therefore, in the I got the answer 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Here we have to subtract 3 from minus 5. Therefore, I will write minus 5 minus bracket 3. So, if I convert this to the addition statement, then I will write minus 5, change the symbol of plus, and also in the bracket, that is minus 3. Now, as per the addition rule on the number line, I will move 5 units to the left from the origin 0. So, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So 5 steps are there, and again I have to move further to the 3 units because this is minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So where I stop at minus 8 on the number line. Therefore the answer for minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Now, in the other way, I can say that if I start from minus 5, my starting point is minus 5, and I move 3 units to the left, first unit, second unit, third unit, where I stop at 8. So, I start at, move to, and stop at minus 8. So in this way we also observe that the result is minus 8. So minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. This part we will learn how to subtract a negative integer from the negative integer. So the number line is there and the condition given is we have to subtract minus 3 from minus 5. So I will write minus 5 minus bracket minus 3. Now I will convert this into the addition sentence by writing minus 5 and converting to negative symbol to the positive one inside and outside the bracket. So as per this condition, I will have to start from origin and I will move to the left of the 0 to the 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after that I have to move 3 steps to the right direction of the minus 5. First step, second and third. So where should I stop? I at minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. So in this video we have learned the subtraction of integers on number line. The first one was subtraction of positive integer. One positive integer is subtracted from the other positive integer. Just like this, 5 minus 3. The second case was to subtract a negative integer from a negative integer. Just like this. minus 3 from minus 5. And in the next case was we have subtract a negative integer from a positive integer, just like this. And in this case the positive integer from the negative integer.